Earn passive income with Amazon KDP. No writing needed. Want to earn passive income on Amazon without writing a single book? Yeah, it's real. And I'm about to show you step by step. Let's go. Look, we all know Amazon is an absolute beast. People spend billions buying stuff every single day. And the cool part, you can get a piece of that action by publishing your own books through something called KDP. And the best part, you don't even have to be a writer. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to use Amazon KDP to create passive income by publishing simple, low-content books. We're talking journals, planners, workbooks, stuff that doesn't require you to write a full-blown novel. This is one of the easiest ways to build a real online business in 2025, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so first things first, what exactly KDP? KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. It's Amazon's own platform that lets anyone, and I mean publish books directly onto Amazon for free. No need to deal with publishers, no crazy upfront costs, just you and your book idea. Here's how it works. You upload your book to KDP, someone buys it on Amazon, Amazon handles all the printing and shipping, and you get paid. It's print on demand, which means you don't have to worry about holding inventory, shipping anything yourself, or dealing with any of that logistical stuff. And when I say books, I'm not talking just novels. We're talking journals, planners, coloring books, logbooks, workbooks, even just simple notebooks. These are what's called low-content books, and they can be incredibly lucrative on Amazon. All right, ready to dive in? The first thing you need to do is head over to kdp.amazon.com and create your free KDP account. You'll need an Amazon account to get started, which I'm sure most of you already have. If not, it takes 2 minutes to sign up. Once you're logged into KDP, you're officially an Amazon publisher. How cool is that? Now take a second to think about what kind of low-content book you could see yourself publishing. Is it a sleek minimalist journal, a fun, colorful planner, a fitness log to track your workouts? Seriously, the possibilities are endless. Let me know what you're thinking in the comments down below. I always love to see what you guys come up with. Chapter 3. Design your low-content book. With your KDP account set up, it's time to actually create your low-content book. Don't worry, you don't need to be a design whiz for this. There are tons of free tools out there that make it super simple. Canva is my personal favorite. It's free, easy to use, and has a ton of templates specifically for things like journals, planners, and workbooks. You can customize everything, the colors, fonts, layouts, to make it your own. Another great option is BookBolt. This is a paid tool, but it's specifically designed for creating and selling low-content books. It's got even more templates and features than Canva, so it's worth checking out if you're serious about this. The key here is to keep it simple. Don't overthink the design. Focus on creating something clean, visually appealing, and easy to use. Chapter 4. Upload your book to KDP. Once you're happy with your book's interior, it's time to upload it to KDP. This is where you'll give your book a title, come up with an author name, write a compelling description, choose the right keywords, and select the most relevant category for your book. You'll also need to create an eye-catching cover. Canva and BookBolt both have templates for this as well. Remember, your cover is the first thing potential buyers see, so make it count. This part might feel a little intimidating the first time you do it, but trust me, it's way easier than it sounds. KDP walks you through the entire process step by step, and there are tons of resources available if you get stuck. Chapter 5. Set your price and royalties. All right, we're almost there. The final step is to set your book's price and choose your royalty option. Most low-content books on Amazon sell for between $7 and $9.99. You'll earn around a 60% royalty on each sale, which means for a $9.99 book, you're looking at about $2 to $4 in profit per sale. Now that might not sound like much, but here's the thing. Once your book is live on Amazon, it can literally keep earning you money forever. Imagine having 10 different low-content books up for sale, each bringing in $20 a day. Those numbers add up fast. Here's the truth. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You're building an online library, and every book is a digital asset. Some will flop, some will fly. Consistency beats everything. One book a week equals 52 books a year. That's how people start seeing 100, 500, $1,000 a month on autopilot. Are you willing to stay consistent, or are you just looking for shortcuts? Let me know in the comments. If I can do this from my laptop in my room, so can you. You don't need to be a writer, you just need to start. Subscribe for my full KDP series where I show you how to design, upload, and market your books like a pro. Comment KDP if you want me to drop a full tutorial on Canva book design, and don't forget to hit that like button if you learned something new. Remember, the hardest part is getting started, so what are you waiting for? You got this, start now. Hey guys, this is Jim, thank you for watching.